Good morning, students. This is Teacher Sally, and today we're going to learn the different shapes. Are you ready? Let's begin. Let's have the first one, the word circle. Everybody say circle. Circle. Let us spell the word circle. C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. Circle. So this is a picture of a circle. Circle. Very good. Number 2 is square. Square. Everybody say square. Square. S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. Square. Very good. Next one. Triangle. Triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E, triangle. Triangle. So this is a picture of a triangle. The color is green. Very good. Next one. Rectangle. Rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E, rectangle. Rectangle. This is a rectangle. Next one. The word star. Everybody say star. Star. S-T-A-R, star. Star. Excellent. Next one. Diamond. Diamond. D-I-A-M-O-N-D. Diamond. Diamond. So this is a picture of a diamond. The color is pink. Alright. So let's read the words. Everybody say circle. Circle. Next one. Square. Square. Next. Triangle. Triangle. Very good. Next one. Star. Star. The last one. Diamond. Diamond. One more time. Let's read all together. Circle. Square. Triangle. Star. Diamond. Very good. This time, I'm going to ask you, what shape is it? Number 1. What shape is it? It is a rectangle. It is a rectangle. Very good. Number 2. What shape is it? What shape is it? It is a square. It is a square. Good job. Number 3. What shape is it? What shape is it? It is a circle. It is a circle. Very good. And number 4. What shape is it? What shape is it? It is a triangle. Triangle. Again, number 1. It is a rectangle. Number 2. It is a square. Number 3. It is a circle. Number 4. It is a triangle. Good job, students. Now, let's read all the vocabulary words. Number 1, shapes. Shapes. Circle. Circle. Square. Square. Triangle. Triangle. Number 5, rectangle. Rectangle. Number 6, star. Star. And number 7, diamond. Diamond. Alright, so thank you for listening and see you again next time.